17. He's burped 17 times in 10 minutes. It's a frequent symptom of pancreatic cancer.
Do a CBC, CMP.
Why do you need to confirm a diagnosis of acid reflux?
It's
You
a
might
new
have
policy.
pancreatic cancer.
What?
Even if it's successful, post-operative complications are frequent and serious.
Let's do it, Dad.
The surgery may kill you. Not doing the surgery will kill you.
I see leaking pancreatic fluid.
I don't eat holes in everything it touches.
He's in ventricular fibrillation.
Starting chest compressions.
Okay.
Everybody clear.
Paul died during surgery. We did everything we could for as long as we could. He didn't suffer.
We killed our father.
It's not true. Paul wanted this surgery. He told me he wanted this surgery.